Díobh gachtainna on Deirdre na Tágain inis. We are in Thursday, and today we're going to do page 102. So lehanach céad is a dó, right? Tá sé mar an I'm sure áisteach. Okay, so it's the I'm sure áisteach, and we're just doing the ceisteach, the dearfach and the diúltach. Okay, so the ceisteach is the questions, and then the positive answer and the negative answer. So on tógig two, on dógig two, so on plus an orú, you remember. Did you take, or will you take, will you take? And the answer is I will take or I will not take. All right. On gurhig two, will you put, I will put, I will not put. On vanhig two, which means will you stay, I will stay, I will not stay. On allhig two, will you drink, I will drink, I will not drink. On maloig two, will you collect, I will collect, I will not collect. And on gianoig two, will you buy, I will buy, I will not buy. Now, just to help you with this, it's important to print out the page, the Dara Réimniú as well, so that you have your two pages, the Céad Réimniú and the Dara Réimniú to look at. Céad Réimniú from last week, Dara Réimniú from this week. Okay, so that's looking at the Dara Réimniú. So you know what that means. It means the words that have two syllables, like balig, airig, brustig, ceannig. All right, so they're the endings that we have. We follow the same rules, but it's just oig and imoig, basically. So we have brustig here, brustoig me, brustoig two, brustoig she, brustoig sheed, brustoig mead, brustoig shiv, brustoig sheed. On brustoig she, brustoig she, ní brustoig she. Okay, the same with ceannig there. Ceanoig me, ceanoig two, ceanoig she, ceanoig she, ceanoig mead, ceanoig shiv, ceanoig sheed. So that's the quail endings. Okay, so just have that with you because you're going to be going over this afterwards as well. And you're just going to do the I from this. So the I is the answer the questions. So I'll go through it with you now. So answer the questions. On dógig Donal aragad asa fóca. Right? Now, in order to totally understand who they're talking about, you need to look at your characters in the front. Now, just give me a second and I'll get the characters out of the 6th class book so you can see. All right, so the characters in Bungabar, which you've probably done before, but I'll go over it anyway. We'll find out if this is Donal, and will Donal atá gceist an seo. Will Donal take money out of his pocket? So let's see who Donal is. So there's, Donal an seo. So I say Donal atá gceist. It is Donal that we're talking about. So on dógig Donal aragad as a fóca. The answer is he will. So tógig Donal aragad as a fóca. Now the next question, on dógig column aragad as a fóca. So seo a column agus níl column an duine atá I gceist. It's not column we're talking about, it's Donal. So the answer there is ní hógig column aragad as a fóca. He doesn't take aragad out of his pocket. Okay. The next one, on gianoig mammy ticket don cronker. Now cronker is the lotto. Will mammy buy a ticket for the lotto? So she looks like she's buying it, all right. She's handing money over to somebody to buy something. So I would say gianoig mammy ticket don cronker. And the next question is, on gianoig mammy uachtaróide. Is she buying ice cream? No, she's not. So you do the right one for that one there. You put the right answer there for question 4. Question 5. On ólaigh an guard a gline banya, will the guard drink a glass of milk? The question is, the answer is either ólaigh, no, ní ólaigh. So you decide from the picture which it is. Then iver a she on ólaigh an múntóir gline banya. Is it a múntóir atá an seo? No, it's not a teacher that's there. So it would be ní ólaigh for that. I'm going to let you keep going from this. I'm going to just on Maloig and Múntóir na Cóplar. Did the teacher collect the books, or on Maloig na Páistí na Cóplar? Okay, so you put the right ones there. This one is Nave Breed. Okay, so Nave Breed, Saint Bridget, and the question is on Curhig Breed on Cloak Aaron Tallav. Did Breed put the cloak on the ground? So your answer is either yes or no. She did or she did not put. And then it says on Gurhig on Ri on Cloak Aaron Tallav. Did the king put the cloak on the ground? So you know from the picture who it is. Tá Nave Breed ag Dana Vruddig and sa Victor Shaw. Okay? So Iver a hen deag. On Vanig Trina Salaba. Will Trina stay in her bed? Okay? And the last one is on Vanhig Trina or Skull. Will Trina stay in school? So you have to put the answers to those. All right? And decide yourselves which one they are talking about. Okay? So again, guys, have a look down through that as well and learn that off as well. So you have two things to do today. Do those answers out. You don't have to write the question, just write the answer. Okay, so you have 12 lines to do there, and also go over your page for the Dara Renew. Slán!